Transportation and delivery expenses. Transportation and delivery expenses cover commercial costs for mail transport, equipment or materials hauling, and porterage services. These exclude transportation costs of purchased equipment, supplies, and materials, which must be included in their acquisition cost instead. Proper receipts ensure accurate MOOE allocation and clear separation from supply costs. Transportation and delivery expenses requirements. For courier transportation expenses via Grab, Lalamove, or LBC, submit the official receipt or electronic receipt emailed by the service provider. Include a signed reimbursement of expense receipt with the pay portion signed by the delivery personnel plus a sample of the delivered document or proof of delivery. If materials were delivered, attach the corresponding IAR or RIS along with the line item budget, highlighting the expense item for complete MOOE processing. Transportation and delivery expenses process flow. Once all transportation and delivery documents are compiled, official receipts, reimbursement forms, proof of delivery, and highlighted line item budget, research staff submits the complete package to Argao. Argao conducts pre-audit verification for compliance and accuracy, then prepares the disbursement voucher. The voucher is forwarded to accounting for final processing and payment release from the MOOE allocation.